My friends, we are living in a time where the world is shifting faster than anything humanity has ever seen before. For decades, we assumed that machines could calculate, but they could never think. We believed that creativity, understanding, reasoning, decision making, these were human territories. But today, that belief is gone. We have entered the era of reasoning AI. AI systems that don't just answer questions, they think through them. And on top of that, we now have AI agents, systems that can take an instruction and work like a full time employee, non-stop 24 into 7, without distraction, without breaks, without excuses. The reality is not something we can ignore. And that leads us to the question people fear the most. What will happen to the jobs? What careers will survive? What kind of mind will be safe in the future? Let's understand this step by step. Many people are living with their minds shut. They follow what others told them. They trust old ideas blindly. They assume the world will stay the same because it feels comfortable. But a closed mind is the fastest way to become irrelevant. A closed mind doesn't notice the change. It doesn't question anything. It doesn't adapt. In this new world, your mind must be open, wide open. Open to the new knowledge, open to new skills, open to questioning what you believed was true your entire life. When you have an open mind, you don't fear technology. You use it. You don't deny change. You adapt to it. We often misunderstand thinking. We confuse overthinking with critical thinking. Overthinking is repeating fear in your mind without evidence. Critical thinking is examining reality with evidence. Critical thinking says, let me learn, let me explore, let me validate, let me decide based on truth. And trust me, in the age of AI, truth matters more than ever. Because if you don't think deeply, the world will think for you. Critical thinkers will not only survive, they will lead. Many motivational speakers say, just stay positive, everything will work out. But blind positivity is dangerous. Positivity without action is just comfort. And the comfort is the enemy of growth. Fear has a role. Fear wakes you up. Fear tells you something is changing. Fear tells you to get ready. When fear drives you to action, it becomes your strength. It doesn't need toxic positivity. You need clear thinking and courageous action. Let's talk honestly. People think AI will just help them. No, AI is replacing repetitive work at a speed no one expected. Companies are hiring fewer employees and more AI agents. These agents can write emails, build automations, manage tasks, create code, analyze data, do financial modeling. And they can do it endlessly without fatigue. So, who will survive? Only the minds that think deeper than AI, the minds that question, the minds that create, the minds that solve problems that don't have instructions. So, friends, what should you do? If you truly want to stay relevant in the new era, learn AI, not as a tool, but as a language of the future. This is not optional. AI is not coming. AI is here. Study global trends, especially from the Silicon Valley. Whatever happens there reaches everywhere else soon. Don't follow the world late. Stay ahead of it. Build a career around creativity, problem solving, decision making, and strategic thinking. These are the last human modes. Jobs based only on repetition will not survive. Stop wasting time on distraction, entertainment. Every hour you invest in learning puts you ahead of millions. Upgrade yourself constantly. In this age, learning is not a phase, it's a lifestyle. Let me leave you with the most important truth. AI will not replace you, but the person who knows how to use AI will. The future does not belong to the strongest or the fastest. It belongs to the most adaptable minds. The minds that stay curious, stay open, stay alert. If you build such a mind, you will not only survive the future, you will lead it. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.